Okay, let's do our practicing our numbers, our review. I will start with you and then you continue on your own. Thank you. 9, 12, 3, your turn. I just wish I could hear you tell me these numbers. If you have been practicing with me and with Mrs. Eiler, I know you are getting better at this, and it's something that you will use forever. All right, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to fill in the numbers like we did, I don't know if it was last week or the week before. I wrote some numbers and I left some spaces. The numbers that are there, you are going to fill in the space either before it or after it. So get a piece of paper and a pencil and you can write the numbers. You write the number and then we'll fill in the space that comes after. Write the number and fill in the spaces. Here we go. Get your paper and pencil. I will get ready. Okay, here we go. This says low to high. It's a little bit harder for you to see, but it's lower numbers to higher numbers. So we are going to be counting up, like you would be looking at a number line, and the numbers will get bigger as we go. Start smaller, end up bigger, just like when you count up the number line. The first number here is 9. What comes next? 10. Then 11. Next comes 12. Then 13. 14 is there for us. Next would be 15. Then 16. 17 is there for us. Then comes 18. All right. We start this time with 11. After 11 comes 12. Then 13 and 14. 15 is there for us. Then comes 16. Then 17. 18 is there for us. Then 19 and 20 is already there. All right, now this one, in order to find out, I could just look at that and know what comes. If you can't, Maybe you can, because you'd have to put the number that comes before 8. You could look, touch with your finger and say 10, 9, 8, 7. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10 is there for you. Then comes 11, then 12. That didn't come out so good. There we go. Then 13, 14, and 15 are there. 16, and we end this one with 17. Okay, let's go down to the last row. And again, we may have to count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 10, 11, 12. What comes next? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 are there for us. Then comes 18, then 19 and 20. Very good. All right. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to go backwards. Instead of, in fact, I'm going to erase so I don't make a mess. Instead of going from lower to higher numbers, now we're going to go from higher numbers to lower numbers, like we do at calendar when we count backwards. Instead of counting up the number line to get bigger, we're going to count backwards to get smaller. Let's just go over 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice I count fast like you do them. All right, here we go. So now we're going to go bigger or higher to lower. They will start higher, end up lower. Here we go. What is the first number? A 1 and a 7 is 17, 16, 15, 14. I think I did that one backwards. Yes, I did. I'm not so good at writing all the time backwards. I think I just did it again. Yes, I did. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble. Let's try it this way. 14. There we go. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Good. All right. Now we start with 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, and 15 are there. 14, 13, 12, 11 is our ending number. Okay, now in order to find this out, we have to count up. 18, 19, 20. Our first number will be 20. Now go backwards. 19. 18 is there. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13, 12, 11, and 10. Good. All right. Here is 14. What comes before 14? Count backwards. 14, 13. 13, 14, 15. Oops. Oh, I messed up. Sorry, guys, I messed up. I forgot I was going bigger instead of smaller. We're going higher to lower. What comes after? If we are counting up, 14, 15. That was my fault, guys. I'm sorry. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 10 are there for us. 9, 8, 7 is there. 6, and 5. Sorry I made that boo-boos, but as you can see, even we mess up sometimes. All right, guys, keep practicing those numbers and have a good day.